Why does barley have to be germinated, malted to make whiskey? The enzymes needed for breaking down starch are already there without need for germination, so there's no other reason. Well, you've got to germinate it, because if you germinate it, you're going to add the proteins, the enzymes, the starch. That's all part of the makeup. And then, of course, when you malt it, when you dry it by the peat fires, that's going to impregnate a sort of level of fusion of flavors, that smokiness that's going to come in there. And that's going to be akin to some of the regions like Islay, but of course it can be done elsewhere as well. But really, that's the need for it. Germination is going to impart these characteristics that we are looking for in Scotch whisky.